Hello buddies, welcome back to caperswaytech. So today's video is going to be about my recent TOEFL experience. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I scored 99 in TOEFL with 22 in reading, 26 in listening, 24 in speaking and 27 in writing. So if you look at this table, I have scored 2 sections in the advanced range and the other 2 sections in the high intermediate range. Maintaining a score of 95 plus is very good. But for being on a safer side, it would be better to have a score of 100. Or else 99% of colleges have a TOEFL cutoff around 80 to 95. So it wouldn't create an issue. First of all, as soon as you enter the center, you should have your appointment and your passport, which are mandatory. There is no need to carry the hard copy of the appointment. You can even show that on your mobile, but taking your passport is compulsory. I have seen some videos on YouTube that suggested that you go to the center early or late so that you will not face any issue during speaking or listening sections. But that was not the case at my center. Here, they allowed everyone at the same time, even if you're early to the center. And after that, they will click a picture of you to print it on your official TOEFL scorecard. After that, there will be some instructions displayed about the exam and then you can start your exam. After going to the system they allotted to you, first there will be a microphone testing where you will have to speak about your city. They will give an experimental section in any one of the sections, reading or listening. For me, it was in the reading section, so instead of 30 questions, I got an extra passage, so the total number of questions were 40, and the time was also given accordingly. 18 minutes for each passage, so 1 hour 12 minutes for 4 passages. Always keep a track of time, which I did not. So I didn't have time to solve the last 3 to 4 questions of the 4th paragraph. So I blindly selected some option which led to a score of 22. So you guys don't do that. 2 of my friends who also gave their TOEFL recently got their experimental section under the listening section. I got 5 questions in the listening section, but they got 7 to 8 questions which were very long listening sections for them. So don't get distracted or diverted between this section, because once you lose the track, you will not be able to answer the questions. Patience and the concentration are the 2 keys to this section. Then you will have a 10 minutes break which you cannot skip in TOEFL, but in GRE you can skip this break. Then comes the speaking section, which is very easy if you speak confidently and without a break, which means you have to maintain your fluency. That's it, nothing much about this section. Then comes the writing section. At my center, they had a mechanical keyboard which was very noisy while typing. You will also get the word limit on the top right hand corner, so you can track it there. Keep the flow and answer the question precisely for this section, using some good transitions and idioms. After you complete your exam, if you take the case of GRE, you have to select 4 free college recipients for whom you want to send your scores after the exam. But for TOEFL, it's different. You have to choose before the exam. You will be given an option to edit your recipients up to 1 day before your exam. So at the end of your exam, you will be given 2 options to select: cancel or report your scores. So always click report your scores, because cancel your scores is just a waste option. That's it. After the exam, your reading and listening section scores will be displayed. And the other 2 sections, you will get it in your official scorecard, which you will receive correctly after 6 days from the exam day. I have given my exam on 21st August. I received my scorecard on 27th morning around 9 to 10. So that's it guys for this video. Like the video, because same sentence, YouTube will feature my videos to others like you looking for the same answers, and it will also give me an idea whether my content is good enough or not. Mainly it will motivate me to make more videos, so I was hoping you could support me by hitting that subscribe button, clicking on the bell icon, and stay updated on the new content. Thank you, take care, because there is a 3rd wave of COVID starting, so wear masks, get vaccinated, and frequently sanitize or wash your hands. See you in the next one. Bye bye. So my next video is about how I prepared for TOEFL and how many days are required for the preparation of TOEFL and what materials I have used for TOEFL and some templates which I have used for speaking and writing sections. So I'll discuss about all these in my next video.